The moment we wake up early in the morning and starts with our daily works, we depend on various items. You may say there are many in the list. Yes, but most of the items used by us are made up of a single material collectively known as plastic. Yes, the toothbrush handle, comb, plates, bottles, lunch boxes, bodies of refrigerators, water purifiers, laptops, and so many other articles. The list would be endless. So, are all these articles made up of plastic? Yes, but they are quite different from each other. So, how is that possible? Well, it is possible because plastic itself comes in various forms. What do you mean by this? To understand this, let us draw two figures. Can you tell me the difference between the two? Yes, the first one is linear in fashion, and the other hand, the second one interlinked. This type is called the cross-linking type. But why are we studying this now? We know that plastic is a polymer. Now, the various monomeric units in the different plastics are arranged in different patterns. And what would these patterns be? Yes, they are either linearly arranged or they arranged in a cross-linked manner. Not only the arrangement, but even the difference in the monomeric units that make up the polymer is responsible for giving us the various forms. However, plastics are usually classified into two major categories. Let us take two commonly used examples. One is the handle of the frying pan, while the other is simple water bottle. What will happen when you heat that too? Needless to say, the bottle will melt with no time, but the handle will just heat up with the much physical change. Can you tell me why? If both are plastic, then why is there so much difference? While that is because the two are different types of plastics. The first one, which makes up the handle, is called the thermosetting plastic, while the other type is referred to as the thermoplastic. Looking at the incidence of heating, can you tell me the basic difference between the two? That correct. Thermoplastics are those which do not melt on heating. While manufacturing the particular article, when the plastic is casted into the mold, it takes up the form permanently. It cannot be remolded later. The two most commonly used examples thermosetting plastics are melamine and bakelite. And where are they used? Melamine is known to withstand high amount of heat. It is therefore used in making tiles, flooring and kitchenware. Bakelite on the other hand is used in making handles of kitchen utensils and switches, as it's a poor conductor of heat and electricity. So this was about the thermosetting plastics. What could be the properties of thermoplastics then? In contrast, the thermosetting type, these can be molded or simply melted on heating. Yes, thermoplastics can be easily bent and heated to remolded into various forms. And do we know any such type used daily? Absolutely. Polythene and PVC are the most common ones. Where do we use polythene? Yes, right from bags to the adhesive tapes. Polythene is used in various forms. And what is PVC? It stands for polyvinyl chloride. PVC comes in two distinct forms. The first one is hard or rigid PVC that is used in making strong structures like construction pipes. In contrast, the other type is soft PVC, which is used for making containers and bottles used daily by us. These were the few examples explaining how types of plastics are used. But can you tell me why the plastic is choice against so many other naturally occurring materials? What properties of plastics make it a preferred material over other on the list? Well, in order to know this, you will have to watch our next video. Thanks for watching the video.